Welcome to our deep dive into Kubernetes. Today we're exploring two crucial components, replica sets and deployments. In the world of Kubernetes, high availability and scalability are essential. Replica sets and deployments ensure your applications are always running smoothly. Let's start with replica sets. A replica set ensures that a specified number of replicas of a pod are running at any given time. If a pod goes down, the replica set creates a new one to maintain the desired number of replicas. Here's an example of a replica set configuration in YAML. It defines 3 replicas of an Nginx pod. YAML API version app/v one kind replica set metadata name my replica set spec replicas 3 selector template. Now let's talk about deployments. A deployment provides declarative updates for pods and replica sets. It allows you to define the desired state of your application, including the number of replicas, update strategy, and rollback capabilities. Here's an example of a deployment configuration in YML. It also defines 3 replicas of an Nginx pod, but with additional capabilities for updates and rollbacks. YAML API version apps/v one kind deployment metadata name my deployment spec replicas 3 selector template. Let's see how we can manage replica sets and deployments using practical commands. First, to create a replica set, you would use the command bash kubectl apply freplicaset.yaml. Then, to verify it, you would run bash kubectl get replica sets next. To create a deployment, you would use bash kubectl apply fdeployment.yaml. And to verify it, simply run bash kubectl get deployments. To check the status of the pods, you'd use bash kubectl get pods. You can easily scale a deployment to increase or decrease the number of replicas with the following command. Bash kubectl scale deployment, my deployment, replicas = 5. If you need to update the image version in the deployment YAML file, apply the changes with bash kubectl apply fdeployment.yaml. If something goes wrong, you can roll back to a previous version using bash kubectl rollout undo deployment my deployment. Finally, to check the status of the rollout, use bash kubectl rollout status deployment my deployment. Using replica sets and deployments, you ensure high availability, scalability, and ease of updates for your applications. These tools are vital for maintaining robust and resilient applications in Kubernetes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into Kubernetes. Stay tuned for our next video.